Bobo, are you okay?
I think a chew is coming.
Your sneeze made my teddy dance. Your sneezes are making magic everywhere. Your sneezes are magical. Next time I'll sneeze outside. Whoa, sneeze magic on yourself. Oops, magic sneeze again. Here you go, Bobo, a tissue. Thank you, Lulu. I feel more much better. I hope so.